Hey everyone, Charlie here from Daily English Talks. Have you ever walked into a restaurant in an English-speaking country and felt nervous? Not sure what to say to the waiter? Worried about ordering wrong? Today, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know for a complete restaurant experience, from entering to paying the bill. This is real-life English that native speakers use every single day. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident dining anywhere. Let's get started. First, let's watch the complete conversation at natural speed. Don't worry if you don't catch everything. We'll break it down together after.
Good evening. Welcome to Bella Italia. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. It's under Sarah Johnson, for 2 people at 7:30.
Perfect. Let me check. Yes, here you are. Right this way, please. Your table is ready.
Thank you so much.
Here's your table by the window. Your server will be right with you. Enjoy your meal.
Great, thank you.
Good evening. My name is Bella, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, could I see the wine list, please?
Absolutely. Here you go. And for you, sir.
I'll just have water with lemon, please.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water is fine, thanks.
Perfect. I'll give you a few minutes to look over the menu, and I'll be right back. Have you had a chance to look at the menu? Any questions?
Yes, I'm interested in the salmon. How is it prepared?
It's grilled with herbs and served with roasted vegetables and garlic mashed potatoes. It's one of our most popular dishes.
That sounds delicious. I'll have that, but could I substitute the mashed potatoes for a side salad instead?
Of course. No problem at all. And what dressing would you like on your salad? We have ranch, Italian, balsamic vinaigrette, or Caesar.
Balsamic vinaigrette, please.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I'd like the chicken parmesan, please. Does that come with pasta?
Yes, it comes with spaghetti in marinara sauce.
Perfect. And actually, is it possible to make that without cheese? I'm lactose intolerant.
Absolutely. I'll make sure the kitchen knows. No cheese on the chicken or the pasta. Anything else?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
Great. And did you decide on wine?
Yes, we'll have a bottle of the house red, please.
Wonderful. I'll get that started for you, and your food will be out in about 15 to 20 minutes.
Excuse me.
Yes, how is everything tasting?
It's delicious. But could we get some more bread, please?
Of course. I'll bring that right out. Anything else?
Actually, could I get some extra napkins?
Sure thing. Be right back. How was everything? Can I get you anything else? Maybe dessert or coffee?
Everything was wonderful, thank you. I'm too full for dessert, but I'd love a cappuccino.
No problem. 1 cappuccino, and I'll bring your check right away. Here's your cappuccino and your check. Take your time, no rush. Whenever you're ready.
Thank you. Actually, can we split the bill?
Absolutely. Would you like to split it evenly or separate by what you ordered?
Evenly is fine.
Perfect. I'll split it for you. Be right back. Here you go. 2 separate checks. I can take those whenever you're ready.
Here's my card.
Here's mine too.
Great. I'll process these and be right back. Here are your cards and receipts. Thank you so much for coming in tonight.
Thank you. The food was excellent.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Let's break it down. Okay, now let's go through this conversation step by step. I'll explain every important phrase, vocabulary word, and cultural tip you need to know.
Do you have a reservation?
The host asks, "Do you have a reservation?" A reservation is when you call ahead and book a table. In American English, we also say, "Do you have a booking?" But reservation is more common. Key phrase, "It's under your name." This means the reservation is in your name. You can also say, "The reservation is under Sarah Johnson." Another way to say it, "I have a reservation for 2 at 7:30. I booked a table for tonight." Cultural tip. In the US, for popular restaurants, it's very common to make reservations, especially on weekends. If you don't have one, you can ask, "Do you have any tables available?" Or, "How long is the wait?"
Right this way, please.
This is a polite way to say, "Follow me." You'll hear this phrase in many service situations, at hotels, offices, hospitals. Vocabulary, host/hostess equals the person who greets you and seats you. Table equals where you sit. Server, waiter, waitress equals the person who takes your order.
Can I start you off with something to drink?
Start you off means to begin. This is a very common phrase servers use. Other ways they might ask, what can I get you to drink? Would you like something to drink?
Could I see the wine list, please?
Notice Sarah uses could I. This is very polite. You can also say, can I see? May I see? I'd like to see?
Still or sparkling water?
Important vocabulary. Still water equals regular water, no bubbles. Sparkling water equals water with carbonation, fizzy, like Perrier, San Pellegrino. Tap water equals water from the faucet, free in American restaurants. Cultural tip. In the US, tap water is completely safe and free. You can always ask for just tap water, please, and they'll bring it with ice. In many European countries, you have to pay for water.
Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
This is a polite way of asking, are you ready to order? The server is checking if you've decided. If you need more time, say, could we have a few more minutes? We need a little more time, please. Not quite yet, thanks. If you're ready, yes, we're ready. Yes, I know what I'd like.
How is it prepared?
This means, how do you cook it? Great question to ask if you want to know more about a dish. Other questions you can ask, what comes with this dish? What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Is this dish hot? How big are the portions? What's in this, if you have allergies?
Could I substitute the mashed potatoes for a side salad?
Substitute equals replace one thing with another. This is very common in American restaurants. You can customize your order. Ways to ask, can I get X instead of Y? Is it possible to swap X for Y? Could I have kiss on the side?
I'm lactose intolerant.
Important dietary phrases. I'm allergic to peanuts/shellfish/etc. I'm vegetarian, no meat. I'm vegan, no animal products at all. I have a gluten allergy. I don't eat pork/beef, religious or personal reasons. How to ask, does this contain nuts? Is this made with dairy? Can you make this without ingredient? Cultural tip. American restaurants are very accommodating about dietary restrictions and modifications. Don't be shy to ask.
Excuse me.
This is how you get the server's attention politely. You can also make eye contact and raise your hand slightly. Say, excuse me, when they walk by. Never snap your fingers or whistle. This is very rude.
How is everything tasting?
The server is checking if you like your food. Common responses. If it's good, it's delicious. Everything is great, thank you. Really good. Perfect, thanks. If there's a problem. Actually, this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up? I'm sorry, but I ordered the chicken, not the fish. This is overcooked/undercooked. This is too salty/spicy. Common requests during the meal. Could we get some more water? Can I have extra sauce/dressing? May I have a to-go box to take leftovers home? Could I get another fork? I dropped mine.
Can I get you anything else? Maybe dessert or coffee?
The server is checking if you want anything else before bringing the bill. If you're done, no thank you, just the check, please. I'm all set, thanks. Could we get the bill? That's everything. The check, please. Note, Americans say check, British say bill. Both are understood everywhere.
Can we split the bill?
Common ways to handle payment. Can we split this evenly? Divide total by number of people. Can we pay separately? Each person pays for what they ordered. I'll get this. You're paying for everyone. It's on me. You're treating someone. Let's go Dutch. Everyone pays for themselves. Informal expression. Cultural tip about tipping. In the United States, tipping is expected, not optional. Standard tip, 15 to 20% of the total bill. Excellent service, 20 to 25%. Poor service, 10 to 15%. Still tip something? You can calculate. Total times 0.2 equals 20% tip. How to leave a tip. Cash. Leave it on the table. Credit card. Write the amount on the receipt in the tip line.
Here are your cards and receipts.
When paying by card, a server takes your card, processes payment, brings back your card plus receipt. You write tip amount and total on receipt. You keep one copy. Vocabulary: receipt equals the paper showing what you paid. To-go box / doggy bag equals container for leftover food. Leftovers equals food you didn't finish. Important cultural tips. Now let me share some important cultural information about dining in American restaurants that will help you feel more confident. Tip 1. Water is free. In the US, tap water is always free and safe to drink. They'll bring it with ice automatically. You never need to pay for water unless you specifically order bottled water. Tip 2. Portions are huge. American restaurant portions are usually very large, often enough for 2 meals. It's completely normal to ask for a to-go box, take leftovers home, share dishes with others at your table. Tip 3. Servers. Check on you frequently. American servers will come to your table multiple times to check if you need anything. This is normal. They're not rushing you. They just want to make sure you're happy. Tip 4. You can customize anything. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications. Want extra vegetables? No onions? Dressing on the side? Just ask. It's very normal. Tip 5. Tipping is mandatory. Remember, servers rely on tips for their income. Always plan to tip 15 to 20% of your total bill before tax. Tip 6. You can stay as long as you want. Unlike some countries in the US, you're not rushed to leave after eating. You can sit, talk, and relax. The table is yours until you decide to leave. Tip 7. Ask for recommendations. Servers usually know the menu well. Don't hesitate to ask, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's your favorite dish?" Tip 8. Splitting bills is normal. It's very common for friends to split bills or pay separately. Just ask the server at the end. Essential phrases. Learn these. Let me give you the most important phrases you need to memorize. Repeat after me. Arriving. I have a reservation under name. Table for 2, please. How long is the wait? Ordering. I'll have the dish name, please. Could I get the item? What do you recommend? How is this prepared? What comes with this? Making requests. Could I substitute X for UIs? Can I have this without ingredient? I'm allergic to ingredient. Could we get more water, please? During the meal. Excuse me, to get attention. Everything is delicious. Could I get a to-go box? This is cold. Could you warm it up? Paying. Could we get the check, please? Can we split the bill? All on one check? Separate checks, please. Practice these phrases at home before you go to a restaurant. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Let's practice together. Now it's your turn. I'm going to play the role of the server, and I want you to respond out loud. Pause the video if you need more time to think. Ready? Let's practice. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Perfect. Right this way. Here's your table. Can I start you off with something to drink? Sure. Here's the menu. I'll give you a few minutes and be right back. Are you ready to order? Great choice. Anything else? How is everything tasting? Can I get you anything else? Dessert? Coffee? Sure thing. Here's your check. Excellent. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Try having these conversations with a friend or even by yourself in front of a mirror. Don't make these mistakes. Before we finish, let me show you some common mistakes English learners make at restaurants. Mistake 1. I want the chicken. Better, I'll have the chicken, please. Or, could I get the chicken? Why, I want sounds demanding. Add please or use more polite forms. Mistake 2. Bring me water. Better, could I have some water, please? Why, commands without please or polite forms sound rude. Mistake 3. How much costs this? Better, how much is this? Or, how much does this cost? Why? Word order matters in questions. Mistake 4. Snapping fingers or saying, hey. Better, excuse me, with eye contact. Why? Snapping fingers is considered very rude in Western cultures. Mistake 5. Not tipping or tipping too little. Better, always tip 15 to 20% in the US. Why? Servers depend on tips for their income. And that's it. You now know everything you need to confidently dine at any restaurant in English. Remember, be polite, use please and thank you. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It's okay to make mistakes. Servers are usually very patient. Practice these phrases before you go. Remember to tip. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily English Talks for more real-life conversation lessons. What situation should I teach next? Leave a comment below. Maybe at the airport? At the doctor's office? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning, everyone!